Hey everyone, want to keep track of your data usage on Total Wireless? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check your remaining data in just a few simple steps. Stay in control of your usage. Let's get started. To check your Total Wireless data usage, go to your device's settings, cellular for iPhone or data usage for Android, and note the current usage since the last reset date. Calculate your average daily usage by dividing total data used by the number of days since the reset, then multiply by 30 for an estimated monthly total. Method 1 using text message. Open message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your phone. Method 2 using website or app. Log into Total Wireless account using app or website. Go to dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Method 3 using phone settings. For iOS, tap on Settings app, choose Cellular from the menu. Scroll down to find the current period data usage, which shows how much data you have used since the last reset. Scroll to the bottom to see the date when your statistics were last reset. This indicates the start of your current billing cycle. To estimate your monthly usage, count the number of days since the last reset. Divide your total data usage by the number of days to find your daily average. Multiply this daily average by 30 to estimate your monthly usage. Example, note down the current period data usage. For example, let's assume it shows 10 GB used. Scroll to find the data last reset field. Suppose it says January 1, 2025. Calculate days since last reset. Use a date calculator or manually count the days from January 1, 2025 to January 21, 2025. This equals 20 days. Determine average daily usage. Divide the total data used by the number of days. 10 GB per 20 days equal to 0.5 GB. Estimate monthly usage. Multiply the daily average by 30 days. 0.5 GB day multiplied by 30 equals to 15 GB month. For Android users, go to the Settings app on your device, tap on Network and Internet, then select Mobile Network. Tap on App Data Usage or simply Data Usage. To see your current data consumption, you can view historical data usage by selecting different date range at the top of the screen, which helps in estimating future needs. Example, tap on the data range examples January 1 to 21, 2025 to see total usage. Assume it shows 8 GB used. Calculate daily and monthly usage. Days since January 1 by 20 days. Daily average 8 GB per 20 days equals to 0.4 GB day. Monthly estimate 0.4 GB day into 30 equals to 12 GB month.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.